xlConnect acts as a bidirectional bridge between Microsoft Excel and your BIM data for rooms, project setup standards, and element parameters. Let's start with rooms, the one most architects reach for first. Click on the Export to Excel menu item of the Rooms drop-down on xlConnect tab. The tool exports all your room data to an Excel spreadsheet and notifies the user of the number of rooms successfully exported. Let's open the exported spreadsheet. The first worksheet, named Rooms, has data related to your rooms and some read-only fields highlighted in blue. White columns which are not highlighted in blue have editable fields which are bidirectionally linked to your Revit project data. Let's edit some room parameters. We can even edit the upper limit and offset values. In the upper limit value fields, you'll see a drop-down with all the levels of your project. If by mistake, you choose an upper limit level which is below the room base level, the tool is intelligent enough to recognize this inconsistency. Save the file. As you must have noticed, the first row edit has upper limit level which is below the room base level. The fifth row edit is valid and should be processed seamlessly. Let's quickly test it out. Close the Excel file and import it back in Revit. As you can see that in the preview pane, the tool flags the invalid changes. The valid changes have a status of will be applied. As you click on Apply Changes button, the tool provides a summary of applied changes and errors occurred, if any. Let's get back to our room data spreadsheet and see what else we have got there. The second tab lists all the rooms and their opening details. The details include doors and windows and area of each opening in the room along with other parameters. The third worksheet, named Components, lists all the components of various categories enclosed in each room and their dimensions, including the area each component occupies on the floor of the room. The subsequent worksheets are for each level in the project. They list the details of components belonging to furniture, plumbing, specialty equipment, mechanical, lighting, and fire protection. The list is sorted by each room on the level. Let's get on to the Project Setup Standards panel. Your Revit project template sets the standard. Object styles, view templates, parameters, naming conventions, all locked down on day one. 3 months later, across 5 live projects and 2 consultant handovers, those standards have drifted. Object styles have been overridden. View templates have been edited locally. Parameters are inconsistent. The template can't help you now, the project is already open. Transfer project standards brings unwanted elements and duplicates. There's no clean native way to push updated standards to a live model. xlConnect paves the way for BIM managers. It allows you to export a specific view template settings to an Excel spreadsheet with a bidirectional link to editable properties. The Export menu item on View Templates dropdown allows you to save the workbook at the desired location and enables you to read, review, and edit the settings in a spreadsheet environment. It helps BIM managers in maintaining standards and documenting BIM execution plans. The first worksheet, named Read Me First, notifies the user of color-coded editable and read-only fields. Separate worksheets have been created for model, annotation, and other category settings of View Template. Let's override some parameters of Furniture category. The Color Override column heading hints the user that color can be defined in RGB format. Let's change the projection line color to red for demonstration purposes. The line weight, line pattern, and surface pattern value fields have drop-downs listing the loaded patterns and values in your Revit project file. Let's override a few of those values. Save and close the file. Back in Revit project file, let's import view template settings from the modified Excel file. During import, the tool automatically maps the settings to matching view template. The user is free to switch to a different template of the same view type. The preview pane notifies you of the changes that are about to be applied. Click on Apply Changes to proceed. And we see a confirmation dialog notifying us of updated properties. As we can see, the furniture graphics in the view have been updated. Let's verify the same in the template properties. The template settings reflect the applied changes. Thanks for watching.